And we're back with another 2-minute Tuesday, and this time we got the Ct4v Blackwing, and we're about to show you
how to start this car in loud mode. So one thing that I've noticed is that if you put it in V mode and turn the car off, for me at least, when you turn the car back on, it doesn't start up in V mode, so it doesn't cold start with the valves open. I want to say that if you put it in sport or track, it will stay in that mode, but I don't do that, so I can't tell you. So there's two ways to have your car open the valves or close them before you start the car. The first one we're going to show you is by turning the car into ignition mode and then putting it into the mode you want and then starting it. And the other one is just if you have your V mode set to loud exhaust, as you should, then before the car starts, when you press the button, like before it cranks, just press the V mode immediately and it'll start up loud.
All right,
so we're going to show you
hop
both.
into the whip.
Alright, so we are in the vehicle right now. So first thing I'm going to do is I got my keys right here. It's very important. And then I'm going to hold this button until it goes into ignition mode. And that is without pressing the clutch or the brake. So now the car's in ignition mode and I can put it into V. You could maybe hear that valve open just now. Or you can put it into sport or track. Track is the way to go for me.
Do you need a flashlight or not?
I think it's alright. And then, yeah. The next way is to just press V mode before the car turns on. Oh. That's copyright. Alright, so now we're going to start the car for real, and I'm going to show you the second method, which is pressing this just like right when the car starts. Put that in there, clutch and brake, start, and press the button. And it turned on in loud mode. You can see V is on.
Nice. Oh yeah. Oh.
Whoa.
Nice.
Okay, so now that I've shown you how to start the car in loud mode, you can enjoy yourself cold starting in front of all your friends, even though it's not that loud, but yeah.
See ya in the next one.